Okay, creatives and entrepreneurs, be honest with me. How much are you spending every month on PDF subscriptions just to edit your lead magnets, client contracts, and digital products? Between all the different software subscriptions we need as creators, those monthly fees add up quickly. I was spending over $200 a year on PDF editing alone until I discovered UPDF 2.0. And here's the thing, as someone who's been in tech for over 20 years, I know a good software when I see it. The features are impressive, but more importantly, it just works without getting in your way. If you're ready to find out a more cost effective solution that actually lets you work smarter, not harder, let's get into it. So, what makes UPDF different from every other PDF editor out there? First off, it's built for people like us who need systems that actually work. The new 2.0 version just dropped, and I'm not even exaggerating when I say it feels like they designed this specifically for content creators and digital entrepreneurs. Look at this interface. It's clean, intuitive, and follows that what you see is what you get philosophy that I'm always talking about. No more fighting with the clunky software that crashes when you're trying to meet a deadline or send off a document. Let me show you how this actually works in real time with a business workflow. I have this guide inside of my Creator Flow kit, and I share this with other creatives so that they can become organized with their content without feeling burnt out. Now, let's say I want to customize this specifically for a client or update it for my own use so I can actually release a version 2.0. Watch how smooth this editing process is. I can edit text directly and there is no weird formatting issues. I can also add my branding, change colors, and add annotations for future references. Listen, and the response time is instant, and this is exactly what you need when you're managing multiple projects and client documents. These annotation tools are perfect for client feedback as well. And when you are actually collaborating with other creatives or reviewing content with your team, it allows you to highlight, draw, add sticky notes, all without the lag that makes you want to throw your computer or your device at the wall. But here's where UPDF really shines for creatives and digital entrepreneurs: the OCR capabilities. How many times have you received a scanned contract or a PDF that you couldn't edit? Watch this. I'm taking this scanned document and UPDF instantly recognizes all the text. Now I can edit it just like any other PDF. This is a game changer for client onboarding and contract management. And let's talk about the conversion for a minute. Whether you want to get your PDF to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or whatever format your client needs or for your needs, I have tested this with complex layout and it maintains formatting better than most of the tools that are actually costing 3 times more. This alone has saved me hours of reformatting work. And listen, nobody has time for that. Now, this is where my system loving's heart gets excited, which is the new batch tools in 2.0. If you're creating multiple lead magnets, client deliverables, or course materials, these 6 new batch operations are absolute lifesavers. You can batch your OCRs, processing multiple scanned documents. You can batch compression to keep your file sizes manageable for email delivery. And you can also add watermarks and branding to multiple files at once. This is perfect for protecting your intellectual property. My favorite is batch element removal. You can clean up multiple client documents or even your guides by removing unwanted elements in one go. If you're managing content workflows like I am, these batch tools alone justify the upgrade. Now, the AI integration isn't just a fancy add-on, it's genuinely useful for document management. Let me show you with this document that I actually have from my guide. I can ask AI to analyze the content, get suggestions for improving my workflow, or even summarize a lengthy client brief. It's like actually having a tech-savvy assistant who actually understands my documents and my workflows. I have been using this for content research and client project reviews, and it's incredibly helpful for quickly understanding complex documents. And also, it saves me time in having to read through an entire document that might be 10 pages or more. But here's something that sets UPDF apart: true cross platform support. One account works across 4 different devices simultaneously. As someone who works from my iPad, MacBook, and iPhone, depending on where I am, this seamless sync is exactly what modern creatives need. I can start editing a client contract on my MacBook, review it on my iPad during a coffee break, and make final notes on my phone. That kind of flexibility is essential when you're running a creative business that doesn't stop and when you're always on the go. Let's talk real numbers for a second. While other PDF tools lock you into monthly subscriptions that add up to hundreds per year, UPDF offers lifetime licenses. You can pay once, get permanent access plus future updates. I calculated what I was spending on other PDF tools annually, and UPDF literally paid for itself within 2 to 3 months. For creatives managing tight budgets while scaling their businesses, this kind of value is rare to find. If you're ready to streamline your document workflow and stop paying monthly fees for basic PDF editing, I'll leave the link in the description. UPDF 2.0 generally feels like it was built for creatives like us. It is powerful enough for professional work, but simple enough that you won't waste time trying to figure it out. What are some of your PDF challenges that are slowing your business processes down? Drop them in the comments, and if this has been helpful, share it with a friend, hit the like button, and subscribe for more productivity and tech tips. I'll see you in the next video.